Hi guys, good morning. Long time no see. Today I decided to go outside. I was at home for 2 days. To be honest, I was a little bit sick and I got bored at home. I didn't want to stay at home today also. So here I am. I'm trying to go to the Marmaray station. Marmaray is the underground train line. It connects to the Asia and European part. And it's like the easiest and fastest way to like travel across in the Istanbul. So yeah, let's get started. I parked. I don't want to go there with my car. Like we are gonna go to Sirkeci. It's a beautiful area in Istanbul. I didn't want to go with my car because it's really hard to find a parking space. So I decided to come to here with my car and take a train and go there. I'm here now, and after a long trip, I'm gonna land here, Sirkeci, and this train like goes under the sea. To be honest, in my entire life, I felt very unlucky all the time, like now, right now, because I missed the train. I need to wait 20 minutes and I don't know what to do. I wish I had a friend right now because it's gonna be boring. And I don't have tea to drink now. I wish they could serve some tea and some bakery. Why not?
Gökyüzünde arama doğrudan sokaklara.
Finally, the sky. Finally. I found you. We have cats. Hey, you? Oh my god! I think this is a family. Hi guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channels, guys. I see millions of people right now. It's art. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. This spot is very popular. Guys, I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat something first. After that, I'm gonna try to buy some baklava. I don't know with $30 if I can afford those arts or not, to be honest. To be honest. First, I need to figure it out what should I eat because I'm still hungry. I'm still hungry, to be honest. Oh my god, what's this? To be honest. The radio of Istanbul. It starts in this building 1927. Some Turkish street food. Boiling corn is so popular in Turkey, especially in Istanbul. You can like find everywhere. To be honest, there's a very popular spot in Istanbul, and this spot like for people who has not that much money and eat something traditional and tasty like çiğ köfte. And this man is very famous in Turkey, in Istanbul. He sells çiğ köfte. This guy is very serious and funny. Oh my god. Me when I hungry. To be honest, should I eat this or not? I don't know. They are so fast. Let's go eat this. I'm gonna go to crew. But I don't know where to sit to be honest. Oh, thank you, thank you. Price is like not expensive, to be honest. I'm happy.
Benim yarım kilo acısı olsun öyle abi. Acı severler mi normal? Yok normal herhalde.
I'm excited. I swear I didn't think about to eat this, but this is the best thing about Istanbul.
Daha dün geldi ya Ufuk ya. Bütün işi çözdü. Ulan bunlar daha buradalar.
Hi, sir.
Hi. Hi, where are you from?
I'm from Turkey,
Maşallah, maşallah.
Istanbul. I live in Istanbul.
Ailen İstanbul. Ailem İstanbul'da diyor. İyi maşallah. Buyurun.
Mashallah. Thank you, sir. How are you?
Poşeti verin bana. Hadi kızım eve git çabuk.
Ellerinize sağlık.
Hadi çabuk eve git. Karanlık çökmeden eve git. Hadi baba. Hadi baba çabuk. Hadi de gel.
He literally kicked me out.
Afiyet olsun.
Hadi poşeti al. Poşeti al.
I find this part. This guy is angry. He freaked me out. Ay teşekkür ederim.
Efendim?
I think today is my lucky day because I find somewhere to sit, to be honest. This is, hey, I didn't shake. You should shake. Shake, shake, shake, shake, shake, shake, shake, shake. And this is like, I spent, I think, this one is like 100 Turkish lira. And it's like $3. Yeah, this one, we can say $3, okay? And this iron is like not even 30 cents. I think total $4 or something. And I also bought a water. And my chikofte looks like that. I'm gonna taste it. And you can also like put some sauce in it. But I generally prefer to put lemon juice in it, to be honest. I cannot finish this, to be honest. The guy was so angry, I swear. He told me, go to home after you eat your wrap. I forgot to ask hot sauce, but suddenly I remembered. I didn't say, please, I want hot sauce in it, because they didn't ask me, to be honest. After I asked, they gave it to me this. It looks very hot, to be honest. Me, I don't know. I got scared a little bit, and it smells very heavy, to be honest. Oh my god, evil eyes! What the hell? Oh my god, I can die after this, guys. So talk nice about me if I die. Oh my god. Bismillah. Mm, mm. I didn't like it. To be honest, I can give 5 out of 10. Oh, this is like homemade food. If you want to eat, if you don't want to eat like fast food, there are lots of restaurants. Yes, like Turkish delight everywhere. I think it's like $10 or something, you know, guys. Wait for me, wait. Look at this beauty. Oh my god. So beautiful, right?
Değil mi canım?
Okay, guys, sorry. Like trees are not green because of the season. I think another season I'm also gonna take some videos for you because it's really beautiful when it's like all green. It's really beautiful. It looks like a Korean traditional dress, to be honest. Man, I swear, man doesn't know how to take pictures. Woohoo! Now I'm gonna looking for a tea, to be honest. Let's find a tea to drink. Tea is important, guys. Wherever you were, tea is the most important thing. And water. I know somewhere to buy some dessert or some tea, some drinks, some cold drinks, and it's also convenient because it's belongs to the government. If I say municipality, it's gonna be much more correct. But municipality also belongs to the government, so yeah, why not? Let's say government, guys. When I say government, just you should understand it's municipality. Yeah, this is the place. I'm gonna try to grab some tea. Oh, but crowded. Like, if you come to Istanbul, you should learn how to be patient. Otherwise, you are not gonna drink or eat anything, especially in the weekends. I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes more. And I have water, and to be honest, I don't know the price of the tea, but it's not gonna be expensive. Um, Not even $1. Finally, I bought my tea, but I'm not very sure about the taste. Or maybe I can sit here. I paid like almost $2. I bought two tea. After I drink my tea, I'm gonna take another tea because one tea is not enough for me. My view is like that. You already saw it, so this is my second tea. And I'm trying to go to the seaside. After I finish the park, I'm gonna see the sea. Walking and holding a phone and holding a tea, it's not easy. It's not easy at all. After 10 minutes walking, we are gonna see the sea. I feel like Sultan in this garden. I could be a princess in 15th century. Why not? To be honest, I got tired of being student. I don't want to be student anymore. After 2 months, I'm gonna graduate and I'm gonna be Sultan. We're almost there, guys. You are gonna see the very, very beautiful view in Istanbul. God, it's beautiful. Mashallah, sister. You are very energetic, sister. Bye. Bye, green. Bye. Bye, tulips. Bye, seagulls. The security. Abi, wow. Really like my favorite spot when I come to the Sirkeci area. Especially at night, it's really crazy beautiful. You can also see the bridge, Bosphorus Bridge. This is European part. This is Anatolian part. We are also very close to Eminönü, and this is very, very well-known place in Istanbul. But I didn't show you guys because I was, showing you other areas. Like Istanbul is a big city, so, and this is a Galata Tower, We are gonna go Galata Tower also.